दोस्तों तो अभी तो ये फॉल्स तो हो चुका है. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू द कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन. सो थैंक यू अगेन और भाई बहुत सारा प्यार देना और मिलते हैं कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन में. ठीक है, तो डू लाइक.
Meanwhile,
We are at Raintree restaurant. I think we had come here 9 years ago, so it was यहाँ का खाना बहुत ही अच्छा है. So guys, I'll put the address and the link. Parking का issue है, तो try and come by the bike or if you do have a bike. But this is how it looks. And guys, it is again raining too much यार. तो घर है ये, but it's very nice. The food is also very tasty, guys. So I'll show you all what we are eating, and do like and subscribe. लोग ने जो ऑर्डर किया है आज. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस. दिस इज लाइक बीन एंड ब्रूस. तो उन लोग का कैफ़े भी है. सो दिस होल एरिया इज ऑल्सो अ कैफ़े. I mean, of course, I'll show you all. But if you all want to even have coffee and some stuff, they also have their homemade beans, wines. इनके पास है. But what we ordered here today, what we ordered? We ordered dal fry, chapatis, ठीक है, और pork pepper. उनके मेन्यू में नहीं है pork, guys. Remember that. But you can always ask. खाना आ चुका है. पहले आप देख लो. ये है pork pepper fry. दाल, पापड़ और रोटी. मस्त एकदम guys. So the food is going to be amazing. We'll enjoy, and then after this we are going to go to the coffee plantation, guys. So stay tuned, guys, till the end. So guys, we are finally at Markara Gold Estate, and it's also part of Bean and Brews, जहाँ पे जब हम रेस्टोरेंट पे गए थे खाने के लिए, right? So this is a part of that. And you see it's right behind us. The road is nice, guys, to come here to Markara Gold Estate, so which is the coffee plantation. So it's a must visit. Again, this is the one. ये जो है. Two of us.
So the tour will be around 45 to 1 hour. Right?
Yeah.
Around that coffee plants, spices, fruits, roasting and museum.
Okay. Yeah.
Once that is finished, complimentary. So
We
per
went to your
person,
restaurant there, right?
where
Renku. What is your restaurant?
Raintree. Raintree.
Yeah. So they informed us about it. So yeah.
Coffee plants I'll be explaining.
Right.
Sir. You can see here, this is a Liberica coffee plant.
Okay.
That is Arabica there.
Okay.
You can see the berries also. Okay. This is Robusta.
This is Robusta. Okay.
So in India we are growing this three, ma'am. One more is there, what we call that one as Excelsa. That's grown in Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Parts of Philippines, Malaysia they grow. But that coffee is also originated from an African country. So this is the 4 species we are cultivating here. Yeah. Apart from this one, other species of coffee is also there. More than 100 species here. Wow. But those are wild plants here. Till today no one has cultivated that one. The bolte hain wo sab poisonous hai, but we do not have a definite report of those plants. Okay?
Okay.
About these plants I'll be explaining now.
So guys, we are going to see Pepper now. He's going to take us to show Pepper. ठीक है, रुक जाओ. तो यहाँ पे Pepper का. Pepper. Oh yeah.
It's a climber.
Okay.
So do you know that black pepper originated from Kerala? Kerala produce. Madam, पीछे देखो. You should be careful. So black pepper originated from Kerala. Kerala produces around 90% of India's black pepper. And once we plant, ma'am, since it is a climber, it will take around 3 to 4 years for the first harvesting. Harvesting season starts from February. February to May. Okay. Before it is fully matured, you have to pluck that peppercorn. The green one will naturally dry in the sunlight for 3-4 days. It will turn to black color. That's black pepper.
Black pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still that ripened one is there. We pluck that one also during that time.
Okay.
So it will be soaked inside a water and then the outer skin is removed. That is white pepper. White pepper usually used in Chinese food, garnishing soup purpose they do. And during the month of November, December, we pluck the tender one also. Tender peppercorn will be used for pickles. This part of Kerala and Karnataka famous for that pickles also. And like coffee plant, this plant also required shade. But recently we have pruned this crop trees actually fall. Because harvesting time is going on now.
Okay.
So it will be from July to September.
This is a tamarind tree.
Ma'am, actually, so some
They grow
fruit you can see
tamarinds on
there
this.
also. Can you see that yellow fruit there, ma'am? That's that tamarind. So we call it's a pumpkin-like fruit. So naturally fall. But you have to dry this one because of the rain here, very difficult to dry. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Through a smoke we'll do. I can show you later. So dry it for at least 3-4 days. It will turn to black color, sir.
Okay.
So purpose of digestion this tamarind is used.
Okay. So tamarind
This part
tree.
of cool. So next is arecanut. Arecanut or betel nut you can call.
Fine.
So actually cool climate is not that favorable, sir. Yield wise we are not getting it. So that coastal belt is best. I mean to say Kerala, this South Canara district and Konkan belt and east is of this one.
I think in northeast.
Northeast also you can grow.
We eat
Actually this climate is not, and the altitude point of view 1000 meters below required.
Okay.
So this is more than 1000 meters, around 1200 meters. So as an experiment basis we are growing this one, okay? And we can call as Thai chili.
Yeah.
In Hindi they call as Gandhari mirchi. If you see in India, this is the 5th most spicy chili in India. Number 1 is Bhut Jolakya, which is grown in northeast. Assam. They call that one as ghost pepper chili, sir. Ghost pepper chili is the number 1 spiciest chili in India. Second is Guntur, Andhra Pradesh ka. After Guntur chili of Andhra Pradesh. After that, 2 Gujarati chilies are the 3rd and 4th place. This is in 5th. Ma'am, why we call this one as bird eye chili?
Right.
One bird will come and eat this chili, and that bird they call as black drongo.
Okay.
Why they call as Thai chili? Thai cuisines frequently use. Sir.
Right.
Okay. So once it is ripened, it will turn to red color. Not only red color, we have it here. Red, white, yellow, and purple color also.
Okay.
And compared to others chili, acidity is very much lower. Usually we put in that chutneys, dal tadka, dal fry. Types of cinnamon as a spice we use all over the world, man. If you see, 5 different species.
Indian bay leaf.
This one we call as
ये पूरा
cassia.
tree है. That's the
Another one
Indian
is
bay leaf, guys.
Ceylon cinnamon, Sri Lankan cinnamon. Indonesian cinnamon is there, Malabar cinnamon, the Vietnam cinnamon. But if you see in Indian market, ma'am, 2 cinnamons very much popular. One is this one, what we call as cassia. Another one is Ceylon cinnamon, Sri Lankan cinnamon. Ma'am, this cinnamon is removed from the outer bark, but Ceylon cinnamon is removed from the inner bark. In a smoky flavor. So you can see how we dye that one. So it looks like this. So this is that Malabar cinnamon. That looks like kokum. But both, I told you, both plants belongs to the same family. So this is Garcinia Cambogia. That's Garcinia indica.
How it is?
Sour. Okay. But you can bite, sir.
Right.
थोड़ा सा ले लो.
What is it?
This is Malabar tamarind.
Malabar tamarind, sir.
Malabar.
Okay, guys, Malabar
In
tamarind.
Kannada, similar like kokum, sir.
Okay.
Malabar tamarind.
Guys, I want to tell you, it's raining crazy. मतलब ना?
Yeah.
It is raining literally यार. मतलब
During the tour. and
during the tour, but इतना मजा आ रहा है, इतना मजा आ रहा है, पूछो ही मत. And see, these guys also having a good time here. But look at the forest here. It is
Not
just
forest.
हाँ अच्छा it's not still guys not forest but it's a coffee plantation. But वही है यार इतना मतलब जंगल जैसा. और guys 45 minutes का tour है guys. Please be ready.
We are in the month of September.
हाँ ठीक है.
So already So
Jackfruit.
jackfruit, it's not
Jackfruit.
harvesting time now, sir.
Jackfruit.
Yeah, guys, we are on our way to the roastery now. After sir, come. Okay, so guys, that is the museum, and we are going to the roastery now.
So we are in the coffee roastery.
Okay.
I'll explain.
Oh wow, guys, this is the roastery area.
So
Look at this.
this is a coffee curing process.
Okay.
While explaining, I told you we do 2 processes, dry and wet process. This is by dry process we have
Okay.
dried this cherries, ma'am. At least for 10 days. At this stage, the moisture will be around 12%. So we put this inside a coffee hulling machine with the outer layer is removed, husk is removed, and the second layer, what we call this one as parchment layer. So once these 2 layers, the beans will look like this. This stage of beans we call as green bean stage or raw bean stage. So once it reaches this stage, the next stage is roasting here. We make 3 types of roasting: light, medium, and dark roaster. Light roast, it's a purely Arabica mix. Have you heard about Arabic kava, man? Arabic kawa, not Kashmiri kawa. Kashmiri kawa is from the tea. It's from the tea. But Arabic kawa, Arabs people used to drink this coffee. And this is a medium roaster we use for South Indian filter coffee. So this is purely Arabica Windsor. This is a blend of Arabica and Robusta, 50-50 blended. So without chicory, and we'll be giving that coffee after this tour. And this is a dark roaster. This blend we call as espresso blended. And this 80% Arabica, 20%.
We're going now to the coffee museum, which looks मतलब really good यार, घर जैसा है, but बहुत प्यारा है. This was the not coffee museum, but this was where they actually do the processing. मगर ये museum है guys. So let's see the museum from inside. But ऐसा दिखता है यार. So guys, when you come here to the museum, पहले तो जूते निकालने पड़ते हैं आप लोगों को. Because you can't enter the coffee museum with shoes. तो भाई ये museum है. This is how it looks. Look at this यार. Look at this entrance. Wow. Okay.
You can see that coffee flower here.
Ah.
This is the coffee. It will bloom in the month of February, March.
Okay.
So it looks like jasmine flower, smells like jasmine flower. Okay. And during this time, that pollination works. We have honeybees
Look
here.
at this, yeah, it's so beautiful.
Once pollen, gradually the petals will fall and the cherries are formed inside. And that cherry formed the berries. At present, we are in this stage.
Such
So once it is ripened,
old
it brings in
historical types of coffee
and this stage we pack it
making
and we
machines.
already explained two processes. One is this dry process and another one is wet. Both process we are doing it. The wet process coffee pulp machine use. This is
Right, I think this is the Arabic way of
so
making
similar
it.
that African person is using.
But you see, it looks so good here.
The beans will come on here. The after
Guys,
is
this whole setup is so beautiful. Look at this.
used as a minimum for plants.
It's a beautiful house, and having that nice rainwater entering it, so beautiful.
In Ethiopian Signal, they 3 times they will take coffee. Early morning it will be strong coffee. To make it milder, they used to have water. Okay? It's not like as we need here. Okay? And this to roast the beans. Put the charcoal inside here, the burning charcoal. Through this pan, this roast. Once roasted, put inside water. In this piston,
I think this is more like the 1970s make.
This was an age at the time electricity was not there.
Wow.
Okay? And this is an Ethiopian coffee pot. They call this one as Jebena. It's a clay pot. Small cups to use with some snack, popcorn on the front is okay? And this is a Turkish way of roasting. Both are Turkish way of roasting it. This what chimney line roaster was used in France. You can see this one here. And here also.
Wow, guys, this place is so beautiful.
Just roast the beans like this one. Just to rotate it.
तो गाइस बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है ये. आप प्लीज़ आना. मैं लिंक डाल दूँगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड सी यू सून. होपफुली बारिश रुक जाएगा तो आई कैन गो एंड शूट मोर कंटेंट. बट डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. बहुत सारा प्यार गाइस. टेक केयर. थैंक यू गाइस. सो इट डिनर टाइम. मैं हूँ यहाँ पे बहुत नज़दीक है गाइस. इफ यू सी इट्स स्टिल रेनिंग. और मैं हूँ किम्बलीज पे. This is my last day today in Kurg. So Kimberley's is a very nice place. It's got around 4.8 ratings on Google reviews. तो हम यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. This is the place and it really looks pretty good. It's a cafe. इनके पास पिज़्ज़ा वगैरह है and you all should come here guys. And I'll tell you all what we had. But this is how the place is. It's a nice cafe. So stay tuned. And do like and subscribe. Now we have got our food here from Kimberley's. So हम दिखाना चाहते हैं आपको. This is what we ordered: the Szechuan fried rice, chicken Manchurian gravy, French fries. भाई साहब ये बहुत सारा French fries है. And this is their specialty, their chicken Manchurian lollipops. So pretty cool guys. And the food looks fantastic. So are we looking fantastic guys. So we are going to enjoy. We'll have a good night and see you soon guys. Do like and subscribe. So sorry guys, I'm at the parking area right now. Or because the climate is very good, मैं एक्चुअली राजा सीट पहले ही शूट करने वाला था, बट क्लाइमेट आज थोड़ा सा अच्छा है, तो आई विल बी गोइंग एंड शूटिंग दिस राजा सीट इन माडिकेरी. दिस इज़ द गार्डन, इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट गाइज, स्पेशली सनसेट पॉइंट. आज तो सनसेट भी नहीं है, सनराइज़ भी नहीं है. तो ये है गाइज, कैसा दिखता है ये. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. दैट्स द 2-wheeler पार्किंग. ये पूरा 4-wheeler पार्किंग है. 40 रुपये लेता है पार्किंग के लिए. एंड इफ़ यू वांट अम्ब्रेलाज एंड ऑल, ये मिल जाता है आपको यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस गाइज. टिकट काउंटर वहाँ पे है, 20 रुपये टिकट है. तो आई विल शो यू व्हाट इज़ इनसाइड. और स्पेशली डू नॉट कम ड्यू टू मानसून्स, बिकॉज मानसून्स में आपको वो व्यू नहीं मिलेगा. कम इन अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर या अप्रैल, मार्च में. तो आई विल शो यू इनसाइड गाइज, एंड डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. So guys, we've finally entered the garden, राजा सीट गार्डन. तो गाइज एक चीज़ याद रखना, आप टिकट ले रहे हो तो कैश में ही पे करना पड़ेगा गाइज. इनका UPI नहीं चल रहा है या कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. सो कैरी कैश इफ़ यू एंटरिंग दिस प्लेस. बट दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स गाइज. बहुत ही प्यारा जगह है ये. एक्चुअली व्यू पॉइंट ही है. सो लेट्स गो फ्रॉम हियर. सो बहुत ही प्यारा गार्डन है गाइज. एंड वेयर वी आर स्टेइंग प्रॉबेबली इन मयूरा. तो मयूरा से सिर्फ 3 मिनट का चलने का डिस्टेंस है. बट दिस इज़ राइट एट द सिटी सेंटर ऑन द हिल. एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग द रेन्स ऑफ कोर्स द फीलिंग इज़ गुड, बट समर मंथ्स में या विंटर में आपको वो सनराइज, सनसेट स्पेशली गाइज, पीपल कम हियर. द रीज़न वाई इट इज़ बिन फेमस इज़ बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो सनसेट है शाम के टाइम पे, वो बहुत ही प्यारा दिखता है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न वाई दिस इज़ लाइक फेमस इन कर्नाटका. तो जैसे कि देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन्स ज़्यादा कुछ क्राउड नहीं है और शाम को ही लोग आते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़ गाइज. और ये फाउंटेन एरिया है. शाम को ये डांसिंग फाउंटेन लाइट्स के साथ वगैरह जलता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट. सो गाइज, हम लोग अभी हेड कर रहे हैं द व्यू पॉइंट. दैट द होल एरिया इज़ द व्यू पॉइंट एक्चुअली. बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉग एंड द मिस्ट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी. तो हाँ, दे हैव कार्व्ड दैट इनटू एन एलिफेंट. ट्रू. आई मीन इट्स वेल मेंटेन्ड. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, बहुत ही क्लीन है. एंड गाइज, दिस इज़ द व्यू एक्चुअली दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम हियर. आई विल जस्ट शो यू ऑल इन अ बिट. बट जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, दैट इज़ वेयर यू नीड टू गो फॉर द व्यू पॉइंट. ये जो पूरा है यहाँ पे, एंड ये जो व्यू आ रहा है गाइज, इफ़ यू सी दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल व्यू.
Wow, so lovely. Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Sunset time is beautiful.
Sunset time is beautiful. That's what. So guys, आप यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं चल के नीचे. आप स्टेज से भी जा सकते हैं नीचे. But the most famous is that viewpoint. So let's go down. हाँ, the sitting area is also good. I hope it's not slippery.
11 to 12 now.
बट ऐसे ही दिखता है गाइज. आप तो दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. बहुत ही प्यारा है. सो लेट्स गो डाउन एंड आई शो यू ऑल द व्यू. तो गाइज, दिस इज़ द व्यू पॉइंट. इफ़ यू सी, बहुत ही प्यारा व्यू पॉइंट है. सो वी आर हेडिंग अप बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन नाउ. एंड तो हम चल के जा रहे हैं. So you can either go by steps or you can go like this, and I prefer to go like this because the steps are very slippery. So guys, look at the view. You can sit down on these nice benches और यहाँ पे, and you can enjoy this lovely view. बहुत ही प्यारा view है guys. Again, Do like and subscribe to our channel, guys, and बहुत सारा प्यार देना.
Thank God it cleared, but it was
Thank
so
God.
misty.
It was very misty, and every day हम लोग आ रहे थे and we were thinking like, okay, let's remove the video. But आज वही chance मिला और आप देख, it's so clear, but it was not like this, guys. But so we are heading to
This side, huh?
we're heading back to the car, और उसके बाद maybe we'll visit the fort and I think the elephant camp as well. But ये थोड़ा अलग है, तो stay tuned and do like and subscribe. So guys, we are right now at the Fort Merkara in Kurg, जो कुर्ग की फोर्ट बोलते हैं guys. मार्केट के ऑपोजिट ही है, ये है फोर्ट. I mean the fort is not open to public, but you can just go inside for a walk. तो हम लोग ने सोचा जाने से पहले ये फोर्ट दिखा देंगे थोड़ा सा. But fort is not open to public, but you can just go inside. Maybe you can just do one round और वापस आ सकते हैं बाहर आप. तो ये है फोर्ट का नज़ारा बाहर. ये सिटी है, ये फोर्ट है. सो लेट्स सी. अंदर जा रहे हैं हम लोग, बट वैसे कुछ खास नहीं है अंदर. आई थिंक दे हैव जस्ट एन ऑफिस इनसाइड which is a government office, but that's it. This is more like how it looks. बहुत ही पुराना फोर्ट है. What? See, nothing is there on top. It's empty.
You won't be able to
Huh?
go like that, but it just
It's just like a ruin. See, there are some doors which are locked up. But, and this is the temple. So when you come, there is a temple here. So if you need to say your prayers, there's a temple, you can come to the temple. So, and this is the other side of the fort. I mean, it's good, yeah. You can just come to a,
yeah, of course. Something to see.
something to see.
See the clock there.
Huh? Which clock? Oh yeah. बस यही है guys, जो फोर्ट है आपको दिख रहा है.
I think the museum is inside, right?
So guys, if you do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you at the elephant camp.
Meanwhile,
Guys, I'm at Big Cup Cafe right now. This is the place that I wanted to visit. It's a nice cafe joint on the way either to Madikeri Kurg or on the way to Bangalore. So I'll just show you guys around inside. So this is what it looks like. ठीक है, अंदर चल के देखते हैं क्या है भाई. Okay, looks nice. Let's see what's in. So these are the restroom areas. This is how the cafe looks like. It's It's a nice cafe. Huh? What is that? Okay, this is how they show how they brew coffee. Wow, this is so cool. This is so nice, यार. बहुत ही अच्छा है. So guys, we're gonna have some coffee now, and we are heading to the elephant camp. Let's see. But अभी तो फिलहाल elephant camp हम लोग ने Google किया था हरंगी, और वो बंद है अभी. It opens at 4 o'clock. So we're heading to the Golden Temple. So stay tuned. Do like and subscribe, guys. Take care. So guys, we are now at
Monastery parking.
at the Tibetan monastery. Yeah, and this is the
my goodness.
parking, guys. And parking is only 40 rupees. So this is the parking, and then we are now heading to the monastery.
It stopped raining.
So, and also we'll show you the monastery. We'll show you the market that they have. It's like a small restaurant come market that you can walk in through. So guys, I'm going to show you. And after this, and it was raining, guys. There is a little bit sun. अभी तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं, तो उसके बाद हम हिरंगी और एलिफेंट कैंप जाएंगे. ठीक है. Okay, so let me just lock the car. Okay. And guys, do like and subscribe, and see you. Come on, man. So guys, this is the monastery. और बहुत ही अच्छा monastery है. I think this is the monastery come school also, is what they stay here. And this is how it looks, guys. So guys, I'm heading inside the monastery now. See, that is the shrine. I think this is everyone that will stay here. I think this is the residence also.
Where they stay.
Yeah. But you can see the shrine, right? It's so nice. It's closed. I mean, you have to respect the place when you even come here. But it's closed.
Wow.
Yeah. It has. It has stopped raining, guys. So that's a good thing. यार हम लोग वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं आपको और बारिश इतना हो रहा था. Look at this, guys. It looks so beautiful. बहुत ही प्यारा. It looks very nice. I think there's another shrine there. The shrine is closed right now, but this is where I think they are all staying, and it looks very nice, guys. But if you see, this is the other shrine, the main shrine for Gautam Buddha, and because this is a Buddhist monastery, and I think this is the bell that they usually ring. They will not allow us to ring it now, na? अच्छा ठीक है. Guys, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ये जो है, this is the main one. It's so beautiful. Okay. What do you want to say? How's the monastery? It's very nice to experience this in Karnataka. बहुत अच्छा है, right?
I like the picture.
Okay, ignore. So guys, this is how it looks. ठीक है, अंदर जाके देखते हैं. I don't know if photography, videography is allowed, but let's see inside, guys. So guys, I had to remove my shoes और वहाँ पे रख दिया if you need to go in the temple. So you got to remove your shoes and all, and I really wanted to visit the shrine inside. मतलब थाईलैंड वगैरह में तो गया हूँ मैं shrine के अंदर, but this is really peaceful and very beautiful, guys. So I just wanted to get in and show you. how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks, guys. Look at this. Just show you guys. This whole shrine looks so beautiful. Of course, they're not allowed क्योंकि यहाँ पे prayers होते हैं, तो there's a complete respect. Okay guys, I just want to come and show you more. यहाँ पे fees नहीं है, entry fees, so it's really beautiful. So stay tuned, and I'll go that side and show what's going on. So guys, we've just finished visiting the monastery, and we are just at some, you know, there's more like the Tibetan shopping mall, shopping center. So this is what they look like. Bags and all. Just want to show you. Dream catchers. So guys, after the monastery, heading to the small shopping center that they have. So they have the Buddha Cafe, which is on top, of course, and then they have a small set of shops which are here, if you see. A lot of different souvenirs you got from bags, and mostly Tibetan stuff. Shawls, I think those are shawls, right? Those are shawls. So they have quite a lot of stuff, guys. So you all can come and just have a small check if you need to buy something. Kurtas. Mostly like girl stuff, right? That they have. Mostly bags. But for guys, I think they have that bag. That was that thing you put on the car, no? On the bike. Yeah, that's what they have. So that's pretty nice as well. They have a small canteen here in this corner. But yeah, more like it. Okay guys, so now after this we are heading to
Elephant
the
camp.
elephant camp, guys. So stay tuned and do like and subscribe. So guys, when you're coming to the elephant camp site, which is the Hirangi elephant camp, you should not come during the rains, okay? But agar aap aa rahe ho, so you need to book there's a car for 20 rupees per person, minimum 5 people. So because of heavy rains, and we really didn't want to walk because this is quite a distance, 800 meters jo andar hai. But if you see this guy, he's taking us inside privately. We told him we'll pay for it, but he'll wait there, 800 meters. If it's during like non-rainy season, तो आप आ सकते हो. But rainy season में I would rather suggest. But if you see, there's a nice lake outside. It's very. हाँ guys, we are really tired. मतलब it's really far coming to this place, to the Hirangi Elephant Camp. But it's a good thing that they have the vehicle, yeah. But they also have boats, boat rides, or the activities that you can. There's a dam as well. But हम लोग mainly we are come for the elephant camp only, feeding the elephants. I think what they charge is $50 a ball to feed them. but we are grateful that we've got the vehicle. Yeah, guys, honestly. So we'll see y'all at the elephant camp. See, there's an elephant there. See that? See that? See? It's like guys, हम finally पहुंच चुके हैं यहाँ पे, which is the elephant camping area, and they don't charge you anything except for the transportation जो यहाँ पे है, जो आपको लेके जाता है. But look at this, guys. I mean, you cannot get your vehicles at all. And this is the feeding area, जो यहाँ पे है पूरा feeding area. और ये पूरा lake है, guys. This is the whole lake. That's the restaurant that you can sit, eat and all that stuff. But this is very beautiful. They have boating and all, right?
Yeah, they have.
So guys, let's go towards the, towards the, where you want to go, which side?
This side.
हाँ, elephant feeding area में guys हम जाएंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे वहाँ पे, and possibly you can get some nice pictures and all here. Nice views. So guys, stick around, okay? Okay, okay.